Here are 10 facts that you wouldn't believe. This animal is so strange, it has more hearts than humans. An octopus actually has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and the third blood pumps to the rest of the body. But here's the weird part. When an octopus swims, that main heart actually stops beating. That's why an octopus prefers crawling instead of swimming, because swimming literally wears them out. Their blood is also blue instead of red because it's copper-based, not iron-based. And everything about an octopus feels like it was designed by an alien. This fruit is lying to you. Bananas are officially berries, but strawberries aren't. Theoretically speaking, berries grow from a single flower with 1 ovary. And bananas fit that rule perfectly. Strawberries don't, because their seeds are actually on the outside. So even though strawberries look like berries, science says no. Meanwhile, bananas somehow make the cut. It is one of the best examples of how science doesn't care about common sense. That smell before rain isn't just in your head. The smell of rain actually has a name: petrichor. It happens when rain hits dry ground and releases oil from plants and bacteria in the soil. One type of bacteria produces a chemical humans are extremely sensitive to, which is why we notice it so clearly. So when you smell rain, you're actually experiencing an ancient survival instinct. What if I told you the world's map is missing something extremely important? Scientists have discovered an 8th continent called Zealandia. About 94% of it is underwater, which is why most people have never heard of it. New Zealand is actually part of this hidden landmass. Zealandia has its own continental crust and geology, which qualifies it as a real continent. That means an entire continent has been sitting beneath our ocean this whole time, completely out of our sight. The organ that controls pain can't feel it. Your brain processes pain but can't feel it itself. That's why surgeons perform brain surgery on awake patients. The brain has no pain receptors. Headaches actually come from the blood vessels, nerves, and muscles around the brain, not the brain itself. It's strange to realize the control center for pain is completely numb to it. Earth might be more crowded than space. Scientists estimate that there are around 3 trillion trees on Earth. Meanwhile, the Milky Way galaxy is believed to contain only 100 to 400 billion stars. That means Earth could have more trees than galaxy has stars. It's a reminder that even though space feels infinite, our planet is incredibly rich with life. Sometimes Earth just as mind-blowing as the universe. This food can outlive you. Honey never goes bad. Certain scientists have found pots of honey in ancient tombs that are over 3,000 years old and are still edible. Honey lasts forever because it has low moisture, high acidity, and natural antibacterial properties. Bacteria simply just can't survive in it, so technically the honey in your kitchen can still be edible 1,000 years from now on. You and a banana have more in common than you think. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. That doesn't mean we're part fruit. It means we share basic biological functions like cell growth and energy production. DNA is reused across life more than people even realize. Even though we look completely different, life at the microscopic level is surprisingly similar. Biology is way weirder than it seems. Your body is protecting itself right now. Your stomach replaces its inner lining every 3 to 4 days. The acid inside your stomach is strong enough to dissolve metal. Without constant regeneration, your stomach would digest itself. Specialized cells work non-stop to rebuild that protective layer before damage can occur. While you're eating, your body is performing one of the fastest regeneration processes in nature. You're shrinking every single day. You're actually taller in the morning than in the night. Throughout the day, gravity compresses the disc in your spine, making you slightly shorter. When you lie down at night, those discs compress and expand again. The difference is small, about half an inch, but it's real. So if you ever wanted your true height, measure it right after you wake up. If you made it this far, your brain is officially overloaded with facts. And if even one of these surprised you, make sure you drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more mind-blowing facts like these every single day. And comment which fact shocked you the most, because the next video might be even crazier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!